Hi, I'm Barbie Romero, the Director of Event Programming at MediaPost. Welcome to our Brand Insider series, Ask Me Anything. After each of our summits, we always get feedback that you make great connections and have amazing conversations. So we wanted to keep these conversations going. Today we have with us Kay Okonmah-Sanders, Head of US HCP Portfolio, Capabilities, and Operations from Kenvue. Welcome, Kay.
Hi, Barbie.
Great to have you. So you came with us to our last Pharma and Health Summit. So there's a few topics here that our audience wanted to ask you about. One of them was about working with AI and convincing your sales counterparts to use it and to not feel threatened by it. I will say AI is very helpful because sometimes I will use it myself for
Me
my
too.
own content. So I'm starting to embrace it now because in the beginning I was like, oh no, like AI. But how do you convince your business partners, sales counterparts to use AI to help their job?
Yeah, we focus on helping the sales force understand that AI is a tool. So it's really about helping them understand the why of why we're using AI. It's not about replacing them, it's about empowering them with more data.
Mm,
So helping them understand the role it can play so that they can have better conversations, more tailored discussions with their HCPs when they're in the office.
yeah.
And those we've done a good job about sharing best practices. So when we hear from reps in the field success stories, we proactively share those stories with other reps so that they can see how, when embracing the tool, you can have better results with your doctors and ultimately have better conversations.
Yeah, that's great. So in the long term, like it really helps the team
Yes.
to make to better personalize these experiences, basically. Now this is my favorite question to ask people that work for like a conglomerate. What is your favorite brand to work on at Kenvue?
I've had the pleasure of working on multiple Kenvue brands, from Listerine to Zyrtec, but I will say my favorite Kenvue brand so far working on has been Neutrogena. I think once I started working in the skin health business and supporting Neutrogena and Avito, I developed a new appreciation for the science behind skincare
Mm.
and all of the research that goes into it. So I now have a whole skincare routine that's really tailored to the science that I've learned from R&D research for what my skin needs. And Neutrogena and Aveeno are pervasive throughout my house. Everybody now uses it. So it's definitely, my favorite product.
All right, so thanks for answering all the questions. Now we're part of the show where we will ask you like some rapid fire questions, quick answers only.
Mhm.
So, what is your favorite beauty skincare Kenvue brand? I know you mentioned Aveeno, Neutrogena. Do you have another one, or is that like what you're set on?
It is Neutrogena. It is
Okay.
Neutrogena, and because we have so many products in the brand, I think the Neutrogena cleanser is is my favorite. It's gentle. It has great scientific data. I use it, but also my kids use it.
Great to hear. I actually need to restock on cleansers, so maybe I'll go Neutrogena.
Yes,
Go back to Neutrogena.
Hydro Boost cleanser. Try it.
All right, and then our next question is, what is your favorite type of vacation? Like, do you like more of a relaxing one or a full itinerary? When you get back, you feel like you need another vacation because that's my vacation. I will stuff my vacation and I'll be like, oh my God, I'm so tired. I need.
I'm one of those beach girls, so I love doing nothing, renting a beach house for the week and then not having a set schedule. Sure, you may have activities, but not having to do anything
Yeah,
is what I call a true vacation.
I need to try that sometime.
Yes.
And the last one is, what is your favorite hobby?
I'm kind of a news junkie, so whether I'm, reading it, watching it or listening, to a podcast, things like that, I'm a news junkie.
Yeah, that same here. I love listening to podcasts, reading the news every day,
Yeah.
catching up. Well, Kate, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you so much.
And thanks to the audience for tuning in. If you have any other questions or would like to be featured at a future AMA yourself, please contact me at barbie@mediapost.com. Take care.
Bye.